Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn exponents and radicals together, step by step. Exponents follow a few rules that show up constantly. When you multiply powers with the same base, add the exponents. When you divide, subtract them. A power raised to a power means multiply the exponents. A negative exponent means take the reciprocal, and anything to the zero power equals 1. Memorize these four and you're set. Radicals are just fractional exponents in disguise. A square root is the 1/2 power. A cube root is the 1/3 power. More generally, x to the m over n is the nth root of x to the m, and a square root of a product splits into the product of the roots. That's how you simplify. The SAT loves switching between these two forms. Let's simplify 2x cubed squared times x to the 4th. First, square the inside. 2 squared is 4, and x cubed squared is x to the 6th. So that's 4x to the 6th times x to the 4th. Add exponents. 4x to the 10th. Now divide by x squared. Subtract 2 from 10, giving 4x to the 8th. Clean. Simplify the square root of 72. Find the largest perfect square inside. 36 times 2 is 72. Split the root, square root of 36, times square root of 2. That's 6 root 2. As a bonus, 8 to the 2/3 means the cube root of 8, which is 2, then squared, giving 4. Fractional exponents are nothing to fear. Your survival kit. 1. Multiplying same bases means add. 2. Dividing means subtract. 3. A power of a power means multiply. 4. Turn radicals into fractional exponents whenever it helps. Most of these are pure mental math and faster by hand, but if a number gets ugly, the digital SAT's Desmos calculator will evaluate it in a second. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.